When you apply WhatsApp marketing the right way, then you can easily build a successful business just working with your phone. Get ready because in the next few minutes, I will show you how to start and get flow of customers buying anything that you sell using the most effective WhatsApp marketing strategy ever. If you're ready for this, then stick around this video. So I want to assume that you already have your business WhatsApp app installed, as I will not be going through that at all in this video. Now, WhatsApp brings something more exciting to marketing than the other traditional marketing techniques that we already know about, like the email marketing. So if you're a business owner, especially small business, you really want to take advantage of WhatsApp, and how to take advantage of WhatsApp marketing is what this video is going to show you right about now. If you want to get more amazing digital marketing and make money online latest tutorials like this one, then you need to subscribe to this channel. We know that the primary function of WhatsApp is to chat, right? But since Facebook took over WhatsApp, this green app started becoming more of a marketing tool than just a basic chat app. This is good news for you if you're a business owner. So, what are the main features of WhatsApp that has made this app to turn into an effective marketing tool? If you want to build a sustainable and successful business with WhatsApp marketing, you must understand how to use the two marketing features that WhatsApp has provided for you to use, and both of them are free. These WhatsApp marketing features include the WhatsApp status, which from marketing standpoint we can better refer it to as WhatsApp TV. And number two, the WhatsApp channel. I know that what most WhatsApp users do to market their business on WhatsApp is to keep posting images and maybe text and videos about their product and services on their WhatsApp status, hoping that someone will see it and then buy from them. Well, if this particular WhatsApp marketing method is working for you, then you must be among the 0.001% of people that this boring marketing style is working for. For most business owners, this method simply does not work. If it does, maybe a little here, a little there. But I believe that what you want as a business owner is that you want predictable and consistent sales, right? So let's talk about how to build a predictable and consistent sales with WhatsApp TV. The very first thing you want to stop doing right now is selling to your present contact list. I'm sure that may be shocking to a lot of persons, but seriously, if you want to build a successful business with WhatsApp, you don't want to ever think that your present contact list will be your list of customers. Why? This is simply because if I collect your phone right now and I scroll through your contact list, all I will see are your family members, your friends, and maybe schoolmates, church members, and familiar faces like that. These are not people that look like customers to me. If you want to be a successful WhatsApp business owner, you want to sell to people who are most likely to buy from you and not trying to sell to your families and friends. So how do you go about that? It's simple. You need to build a new list of contacts. Let me use a beauty product business to demonstrate this strategy. So feel free to apply the same technique for your own business. So now, the first thing I want to do is to fill up my contact list with contact of people who have shown interest in beauty and love to make themselves beautiful, right? So imagine that as a beauty product seller on your phone, you have a list of contacts of say 5,000 people who love beauty products and already are willing to buy beauty products. Selling to such people will be the easiest thing in the world. But the question is, where will I get the contact of about 5,000 or more people who have shown interest in having beauty products and are really willing to buy? The easiest way to get this contact is to run a cheap Facebook ad to get them. How to do this is simple. Just launch a Facebook ad and make sure that it is traffic ad. Don't worry too much about ad cost. Traffic ad is always very cheap and you will only be running this ad for just a few days and you'll be reaping the reward for several years. At the ad set level, pick messaging app. I'll come here and select both Messenger and WhatsApp and just set up other aspects of this ad set. I already recorded another video where I explained the proper way to set up Facebook ad for WhatsApp. This video is currently displayed on your screen. I will also leave the link to that video in the video description. You can check that video up after watching this, as I will not want to say too much about Facebook ad again, so this video doesn't get really too long. I also have a complete Facebook handbook that shows you everything about Facebook. For me, it's a guide that every business owner must have, and if you're buying from Nigeria, it's just 500 naira or $2 or something like that. You can check it up. It's really an amazing Facebook ad guide. The link to that Facebook ad handbook is in the video description also, you can check it out. So here are the targeting, which is the most important aspect of this section. I will come to the detailed targeting option, and since I'm trying to target people who are interested in beauty products, I'll just type in random beauty keyword. I'll select the first option. Then if I click suggestion, Facebook will give me several other beauty keywords target, and I will simply select the ones that I think are the most appropriate for the kind of target that I'm looking for. And once I get them, I can decide to delete the first option if I want. What this means is that Facebook will show my ad only to people who are interested in the beauty topics that I have selected here. Then I will move over to the proper ad section. Again, go ahead and fix the ad section. But here, remember that we are not trying to sell anything with this ad. We just want to use it to build our contact list on WhatsApp so we can get real customers to sell to. So the strategy to use here is to give our target a free gift in exchange for their WhatsApp contact number. Trust me, there are free gifts everywhere that you can use to do this. If you want to have amazing free gift, then check out this product where I give you over 40 different amazing digital products that you can easily give for free. I will also leave the link to that product in the video description. So I'll just pick out one of the gifts that relate to beauty, and then on my Facebook ad, I will tell my target to get my free gift when they hire me from WhatsApp. Then I will include the link to my WhatsApp contact on the ad, and trust me, if you do this well, these people will flood your WhatsApp contact to get your free gift, and then you can ask them to save your number while you also save their own number on your WhatsApp contact. Traffic ad is cheap, so depending on how many contact lists you want, you can really run this ad for just about 3 days or more if you like. You will be surprised that you will be spending something very little to build your own list of quality prospects on your WhatsApp contact list. So if I were you, I would just keep this ad running till I've built at least 5,000 new contacts for my WhatsApp TV. So now that I have a better contact list than the one that I had on my phone before, I can go ahead and start marketing to them. Because now I am sure that I don't just have my family and friends on my WhatsApp contact list, I have people who I know love to see beauty tips and products, and so getting them to buy becomes much easier. So, selling on WhatsApp TV is easy, but many WhatsApp marketers can really mess things up. How? They are always posting their product or service all the time. If you do this, it makes your WhatsApp marketing strategy very boring and predictable. And if all your posting is about how people should come and buy your product, soon many of your viewers will stop viewing your status, and that is the truth. To sell on WhatsApp TV, I want you to follow what I call the 70-30 rule. What I mean here is that 70% of WhatsApp posts that you should be making should be about educating, entertaining, or just helping your viewers in one way or another without trying to sell or asking them to buy anything from you. So, if I'm selling beauty products, I could give them free gift, teach them how to take care of their face, their hair, tell them how to identify fake beauty products, and other helpful posts like that, which I think you understand. So 70% of the time, I just want to give them something of value for free or entertain them without asking anything in return. Then the remaining 30%, I will publish status posts about my product and service asking them to buy. So 70% of the time, I am giving value, and 30% of the time, I'm asking them to buy, which make it interesting. Doing this makes your marketing very interesting, and your viewers will keep looking forward to seeing new WhatsApp posts from you, and it's not going to be boring at all. And by the time you're able to achieve this, you will discover to your amazement that selling to them becomes so easy that they will even be thanking you for selling to them. Now, everything I've discussed for WhatsApp TV also works for the WhatsApp channel, only that this time you will ask them to follow your WhatsApp channel to get the free gift that you have for them, and then you can use the 70-30 rules to also publish posts on your WhatsApp channel. So I really want you to watch and rewatch this video so that you can get the strategy that I've shown you to be a master at WhatsApp marketing. Trust me, it works. If you have any question for me, then let me know in the comment section, and I will be willing to give you the best answer that I can. If you got value from this video, please give it a like, and if you want more marketing and make money online tutorials like this one, then why not subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so you get to know when I release my next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.